Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Prime has new colors for their Prime Eye Glide eyeliners. And I'm so excited to try them because I did a video recently on like spring trends coming up, and one of them was color to the eyes. So this is exciting because I had them in the past. I had some colors, but if I'm not going to use them, I give them away, and now I wish I didn't give them away. But then I got these. I'm very excited to try them out, and I'm going to show you all the different colors. We have emerald, coal, smoky, wood, and sapphire. Very pretty colors. Very pretty colors because they're not crazy colors. I would totally wear all these colors, and you know that I'm pretty simple when it comes to my makeup. I'm simple. I like classic looks. I don't go crazy with eyeshadow looks. I don't know, maybe if I was younger, but probably not even then. I'm not that talented to do that stuff. That is artwork. But I do like to have different looks as far as eyeshadow and eyeliners go. So again, this spring, colors are in. Color mascara, color eyeliners. What's great about this, it's made for mature women like my eyes or mature eyes. You know, I have saggy lids. I have a lot of skin. What are you gonna do? That's what happens, right? So these glide on like butter. It doesn't tug or pull on the saggy skin. These colors are natural and buildable. I'm gonna show you. These are actually also water resistant. So if you're gonna like go somewhere where you might be crying, there's zero bleeding. It's gonna settle into your crisp lines, and it's gonna make everything from winged eyes to smoky eyes look professionally done. And it lasts all day. It's also hyperallergenic, ophthalmologist tested, and mild conditioners nourish sensitive lashes for better growth. So it also nourishes your eyelashes and will help them grow at the same time all day while you have your eyeliner on. Now the question is, which color am I going to use? But I really want to show you all the colors. So first we're going to check out all the colors, and then we're going to do a full look. How about that? And I'm going to do a full look. As meaning like not crazy smoky, smoky for me smoky. I don't go crazy smoky, but I'll do like a little bit more than I usually do. Before I do the look, I do want to show you each color on its own. Okay, this is emerald, and I am a couple of days late on this one because St. Patrick's was the other day. Let's see how this one looks, and the glides on. I'm gonna get close. Show you my wrinkled eyelids. See how easy that glides on? Now to get a better look at the color, put a little more. I'm going to go a little thicker just so you could see the color. Look at that. Do you see how easy I made that wing? That's literally the easiest wing I think I've ever made. I had no issues. Did you see that? And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to do this side because this side, for some reason, is a little worse. I don't want to take it off because it went on so good. I never do a wing that easy. All right. Again, this side is different. It's a little more saggy. So let's try it on this side. No problems. Oh my gosh. I'm in shock. That's like the easiest wing tip I ever did. And I know that I am working with them on this, but in all honesty, you saw it for yourself. If you look back at my videos, I'm like taking 100 years just to put a wing on my eye. That was beautiful. I'm going to put some mascara on though just to see a full look with it, using my Prime of course. Wow, that's with mascara. I don't want to take this off. I was going to show you all the other colors, but it's so nice. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll do it on this eye, the other colors. I have to look at the other colors. So let's just do this on this eye. I just took that color off. That went on beautiful. Wow. And it came off just as good. I should have let it dry though, actually. But we're gonna let this one dry. Honestly, I like doing this eye better. But this came out so good, I don't want to ruin it, so I'm gonna go on this side. My not so favorite side. I think we all have a side, right? This is my side, this is not my side. I feel like I'm a monster sometimes from this side. Wow. So pretty. Went on so easy. I could do wings now again. I'm telling you, I have not done wings in a long time. Mostly probably because of my saggy eyes. And I thought I had some pretty good eyeliners. By the way, this comes with a sharpener. So that when it gets too dull and you really want a nice point, you could do that. This is as far as I go with my wings. I'm taking this off with the makeup remover, so it's not like it's so easy to remove. Okay, beautiful. That was Kohl. Now let's go into Smoky. Now remember, I'm doing this on my bad eye, my wrinkly eye. Not that the other one's not wrinkled, but this is like a lot more wrinkled. Beautiful color also. Okay, let's try out Wood. This is like a brown, so this is probably one that I would like my daily color. Yes, I use black a lot, but like black, gray. I like gray, like a coal, like that coal color was nice. I like all of them. Let's see how this is. Now again, this would be like my go-to daily color. Beautiful. Now let's use the smudge. The little smudge on the bottom and kind of just do like a look, and then we're going to finish our look. Look at how easy that smudge is. Last but not least, Sapphire. This is a blue, a beautiful blue. I always say I'm not into blue eyeshadow because I have blue eyes and I feel like it's too much blue. But I think an eyeliner is a little different because it's not so much blue, but it's a touch of blue to bring out that blue in the eye. Okay guys, look how nice this came out. You saw how easy it was to glide on my wrinkly, saggy skin. Perfect for us women who are getting older, and it is what it is, but still like to wear makeup and still like to wear I don't wear, I don't wear a lot, but I don't, because sometimes when I make a wing with like my liquid eyeliner, I get that space, it takes forever, and then it gets this big, and then I can't match, and I continue, it's a big mess, and then I have to take it all off because I look like a fool. This, however, was so easy to glide on. Like, I know, listen, I have, and I'm not gonna say names, I have high-end makeup that I spend so much money on, and it does not, it glides good, but it doesn't like sink into the wrinkles like this one. I thought, I'm going to be honest with you, when I first tried it, I'm like, all right, it'll be like all those other soft eyeliners, but it's not. It's not. It's weird because it actually, you saw when I was putting it on, it glided, it didn't pull my wrinkles. And that's really good because it doesn't make me feel bad. All right, the reason why I didn't do my hair yet is I personally like to do my makeup when my hair is up so I can see just the makeup, concentrate on just the makeup, and my annoying hair won't get in the way because I have a lot of it and it takes over. So let me go do my hair and we'll just look at a finished look all together. And my daughter already said she has her eye in this green one, and I gotta tell her no. You could borrow it, but let's not leave my room. Okay, let me go do my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, so this eyeliner looks so good. This is more eyeliner than I usually put on, and it's not even that smoky. That's just me, but I will totally go out like this, especially when I go out to dinner on the weekends. Look at how pretty that is. Makes your eyes pop, that color green, right? Okay, let's get it up close without scaring you. There's a crouton back there. See? Love it. Love it. Again, I'm not a big artist with the eyes and stuff, but if you're like me, you're older and you like eyeliner and you like different colors and you like experimenting and playing, and if you really are a beginner at it, then you will love these colors because you saw how easy they went on. They just glided right on, even through my wrinkles. And let me tell you something. That's not easy to do. Beautiful. I'll put the link below for these new colors from Prime. And voila, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out these eyeliners. I am not giving these away to anyone. These are mine, and these are mine to stay. Thank you again to Prime Cosmetics for sending me those, and I will see you guys in the next video.